Welcome to ShellHub. You have just completed your first login. Next, we'll connect your first device. The goal is simple. Install the ShellHub agent on the Linux device you want to access and manage. Once it connects, that device becomes available in your ShellHub workspace. To get started, ShellHub generates an installation script for you. It includes your tenant ID, which associates this device with your ShellHub workspace. Copy this single command and run it on your Linux device. The script installs and configures the agent while ShellHub waits for the device to check in. Within seconds, ShellHub detects the connection. This step lets you verify the device identity and confirm that you are adding the expected device securely. Your first device is now online in ShellHub. From the device list, you can confirm its connection status at a glance. As you add more devices, this becomes your central view of the devices in your workspace. From here, you can manage remote access, review session activity, and keep control of your fleet.